Another female artist on the rise, and right now you hear a match too, let me like it, you hear a match and be a thing. Yo, Davianah, what go on?
There. Just there.
3 words to describe your musical style for me.
Lit.
Lord.
Litty.
Da. Leading.
And literation.
What the last one there? Man, you make up words for me now.
Kinda. We can do that.
That's true, man. Talk to me a little bit more now. You come from a musical background, don't you?
Yes, I do. My dad is like one of those big reggae icons out there. Big up dad.
So you're going like, I call the name. Big up the rebel, man.
Father, big up yourself.
That's a go on. Where are you originally from?
I'm from here, Kingston.
Yeah. That's a guy. You like a twanging a go on or something?
Yeah, because I'm just lit like that. I just come like that,
Yeah. That's a go on. So how early were you exposed to music?
Early, I started doing music from around 6. I had my own piano. I was writing, singing, the whole works.
Wow.
Performing for the family, big concert.
Clearly, the musical grooming started from a very early age. Well, at what point did you decide that, time for, go professional now?
In 2011, I started to take it serious. I debuted on Rebel Salute for the first time with Daddy.
What was that experience like for you afterwards?
Oh my God, lituation. So the people them was just like, one line me sing and a big excitement. Me sing Estelle song with Sean Paul.
Yeah.
Won't you come? So by the time I say, if I was to tell you just how much I need you, would you come tonight? The whole salute.
Yo. And then what did that do for you at such a young age?
I mean, it did make me feel very good. Make me feel like me can do this,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Catch us up now. What's been going on from that introduction up until this point now?
Just bare work in the studio. Right now, I have an EP where I work on with Frankie Music. So I've just been in the studio recording. I put a few singles out there. Good Vibes was last year. It did really well. Non-Stop is out now. It's what I thought about. So it's been going good.
Coming from such a musical legacy, what's one of the lessons what Daddy always try to impart on you? And I know there must be many.
There's so much, but I mean, I think the main one would just be like do your thing, like no watch no face,
This current song now, talk to me a little bit more about it.
It's called Non-Stop.
Non-Stop. Well, what is it about?
It's about not giving up. The verses, I am a person with a purpose and a passion. What you believe in, don't say nothing about your fashion. So, knowing me, I still about a little fire in there, but it's about just not giving up regardless of, anything at all. Because you know say that might happen, things might go bad. And you might feel like say outro, but the main thing is to don't give up, even if it not go good.
They deal with people kind of say that's it, your weekend, them want play your card, them say every action, every reaction. I'm young, but I've been through this. Sometimes I still reminisce to a time I lost my mind. I am strong.
With Daddy as a well-known conscious Rasta artist, is there any pressure on you in that regard, like with the whole Rasta thing, as well as even just to express yourself in a certain way?
Yes.
Daddy asks you when the locks them start grow?
No, him kind of understand, say, my thing different.
Yeah.
Despite what might be out there, he is very aware that I am nothing like that. We branch out when we're ready.
Yeah.
And put that better, yeah.
How do you describe just your musical style overall?
One day somebody described me as a person everybody get fast and listen to. I don't know if that's a compliment or whatever, but them always equip me to driving on the highway and just hold a nice vibe and in a zone. So that's my type of music.
Is there a body of work that you're doing right now, or are you just releasing singles?
Well, Non-Stop is a single, but the EP is going to be with Frankie, titled Rebel Offspring.
Oh, wow. Proud of it, man. That's what you mean.
Yeah, of course.
What you mean?
Of course.
Rightfully so, too. And how has the progression been for you?
Oh my God, amazing. Like, so much people know about me now and never see me up on internet. Come on now.
Yeah.
Come on now. Like, I've only been getting better and going up further and further. So I can only imagine where it's going, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I mean, obviously, Corona slowed enough things up for enough artists and enough people, but I mean, how's the 5-year plan looking?
I'm just try to stay Corona free.
Yeah.
And I just want to give music, because I do have that. I want catalog, you know, like what you can say, you have how much Carter song, how much Bob song. I want to build up my catalog, so it's going to take me a couple years to do that anyway. So
you just have to focus on the now.
yeah, Corona. All right, just stay far from over here, please.
Now, tell me what we can look forward to. 2020 almost done. What the rest of the plan? What the plan?
The plan is to drop a couple songs, get the EP out there, and get everybody saying Davianah is my artist, G.
Yo, and she well litty.
Straight up.
Lastly, now, what most makes Davianah intense?
I feel like my brain
Yeah,
make me intense.
that I go on, and the litigation, though.
Yes, and the literations and the littiness.
Hey, look out, the litty one, Davianah.